So, would you mind telling me a little bit about these necklaces here? They're lots of tiny little triangles.
Yeah, this piece I call Polano Fossil, and this piece I called Unique Wearable Object number 47. I wanted to achieve some sort of geometric, cubist aesthetics in my work, architectural in a way as well, but yet quite organic.
So what are these actually made of? What's the metal that they're made of?
It's all copper, because when I was creating these pieces, I lived in Stockholm, and Sweden is the country which is a great copper mountain, which is now, it's a mountain which was the biggest mines of copper in Europe in the 18th century. Now it's under protection of UNESCO, the Great Copper Mountain. Okay. And I basically cut out thousands and thousands of triangles, and I'm trying to find a way how to put them into hollow forms, three-dimensional hollow forms and shapes, and how to create from this triangle kind of my own unique shape. I kind of focused on molecules, you know, as if zooming under microscope into the little worlds. And I think that's kind of where I was creating, you know, like zooming and narrowing down the triangle.
I think they almost look like pollen grains or maybe even viruses.
Yeah, exactly. One of my professors said that it reminds her of pollen, and another professor said it reminds her of fossil. So it's this kind of way, that's why I don't define them quite most definitely, because they're abstract. But yeah, it was basically just mathematical configuration, how to put those pieces together, how to control the form and shape, make it molecular, or make the form grow into something more expressive and wild and irregular.
It seems like quite a methodical, almost scientific approach to work.
Yeah. It took lots of thinking. It took looking into mathematics a lot, because I needed to figure out, okay, how can I drive, and how can I make 3D shape out of this, and how to put it together, and then how to make it so I am able to make it physically by soldering it, because it's so difficult. And you always hit, shall say, a brick wall when you work sometimes with metal or whatever we do as humans. We hit sometimes a brick wall because we meet with the challenges of the material and the techniques. And I basically just decided to challenge myself and grow the triangles and forms as far as I could and into anything I could. And that's what happened.